Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials Media. It's me Harsh. So guys, in this video, I'm going to introduce you three inventions which had changed the whole world. So guys, let's go into it. LASIK. Humans have tried many ways to correct problems of vision, whether it by using specs or contact lens, but neither of these offers to permanent solution. This is problem only with laser eye surgery. Lasers are amazing light beams that are powerful enough to zoom miles into the sky or cut through metal. The first human vision correction using laser surgery was done in 1988. In 1990, two European doctors, the Greek eye doctor Philakris and the Italian eye doctor Burotto, developed what would be called LASIK eye surgery. This procedure reshapes the cornea to enable light entering the eye to be properly focused onto the retina for clearer vision. In most cases, laser eye surgery is pain-free and completed within 15 minutes. PC. Today's personal computers are drastically different from the massive, hulking machines that emerged after World War II. But one of the most significant of the invention that paved the way for the PC revolution was the microprocessor. Many other innovations followed, which made it cheaper and easier to manufacture computers than ever before. As a result, the small, relatively inexpensive microcomputer, soon known as the personal computer, was born. Soon companies like Xerox, Tandy, Commodore and IBM had entered the market, and computers became common in offices, eventually homes. Today, laptops, smartphones and tablet computers allowed us to have a PC with us wherever we go. At home and at work, we use our PC to do almost everything. It is nearly impossible to imagine modern life without them. Pet. Pet is not an animal. These three letters stands for polyethylene terephthalate, which is a clear, strong and lightweight plastic belonging to the polyester family. It is typically called polyester when used for fibers or fabrics, and PET when used for bottles, jars, containers and packing appliances. PET was first synthesized in the US during the mid-1940s by point chemists in their research for innovating new textile fibers. In the late 1950s, researchers found a way to sketch a thin sheet of PET to create PET film. In the early 1970s, the technology was developed to mold PET into strong, lightweight and shatterproof bottles. PET does not react with food products, which is why it is widely preferred to packaging foods beverages. It is recyclable, which means it is friendlier to the environment. Today, PET is one of the most trusted materials both in the textile and food packing industry. So guys, I think this video is useful for you, so please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, thanks for watching.